Let's see what is Ava. Its definition is Drute, Dravyantarekshepo, Lohade Kriyate Yama, Sa Ava, Prativap, Achadanam Matam. It's a process in which dhatus and upadhatus, that is metals and non-metals, are melted in a crucible on high temperature. Then they are covered with any other substance such as churna, a fine medical powder of herbs. This process is known as Ava. Its synonyms are Prativap and Achadan. Let's see an example to make it more clear to you.
Here, Vanga Dhatu, that is metal tin, is taken in an iron pan or kadai and heated up to 231 degrees Celsius, that is, till it melts. Then, Apamarga Panchanga Churna is added frequently in small quantities and it is mixed together. As we had seen in definition that it is a process in which any dhatu is melted and then covered with other dravyas churna. Now let's see another paribhasha.
निर्वा. Its definition is धात्वादेर्व हि तप्तस्य जलादौ यन्निसेचनं स निर्वापः स्मृतिश्च अपि निषेकः स्नपनं च तत्. It's a process in which dhatus and upadhatus, metals and non-metals, are heated till they attain a red-hot stage and then they are quenched in any other liquid media that can be ras, jal, quat, fant, दूध, swaras, tel, grut, etc. This simple process is known as nirvapan. Its synonyms are snapan and nishik. Let's see an example.
Here, in left side picture, you can see Swarnamakshik, that is copper pyrite in a red hot stage. On the right side picture, this red hot Swarnamakshik is poured in Nimbu Swaras kept in another vessel. Now, as Nirvab's definition says, heat any dhatu, upadhatu till it becomes red hot, then quenched in any other liquid media. Let's see this process in action.
Dhalan. Dhrute dravyasya nikshepo dravya tad dhalanam matam. In this process, dhatus and upadhatus are melted in a crucible and then poured in any other liquid media. This liquid media can be jal, ras, quat, doodh, tel, ghrut, etc. There is a difference between dhalan and nirvap. In nirvap, dhatus and upadhatus are heated till they attain a red hot stage, but in dhalan, they are heated till they attain a liquid state. This is a basic difference between dhalan and nirvap. At first glance, you can confuse both the definitions, but please remember this point that in nirvap, dhatus and upadhatus are melted till they attain a red hot stage. They are not melted, but in dhalan, these dhatus and upadhatus are heated till they attain a liquid state. So, to remember in a easy manner, I will recommend to remember dhalan as liquid in liquid and nirvap as solid in liquid. So, let's see an example of dhalan.
Here, Vanga Dhatu is taken in an iron pan and melted. On other side, Churnodak is prepared by adding Sudha Churna, that is lime, and water in a proportion of 1:20. It is stirred well to form a homogeneous mixture and kept in a vessel. It is covered with a lid which have a hole in the center. Now, molten dhatu is poured in it. This process is known as dhalan. Also, by this procedure, we can remove impurities from Vanga dhatu, and that process is known as Shodhan Kriya. So, as per the definition of dhalan, molten dhatu is poured in another liquid media. This is Shuddha Vanga Dhatu. Sometimes this definition can be confusing. So an easy trick for you. Remember as Awap as solid on solid, Nirvap as solid in liquid, and Dhalan as liquid in liquid. Thank you for watching.